Alright guys, this is what we're going to be installing in the Escalade. It's a 2016, most of them take the same. They're the 22s, 22A, the Bosch Icons. This is my favorite wiper. I've been using it for many years. I've tried different brands. I've tried the Rain-X brand, and at the end of the day, these last me longer. And I normally do the same thing to every month. I usually clean the windshield, I add some Rain-X, and I clean the blades WD-40, and I set them away from the windshield, for a few hours or so. And while I clean the car or clean the windshield, and they last me a very long time. So that's a good tip. I try to revive the ones that currently came on the car. I just purchased it, and like I mentioned, it was my previous Jeep was a total loss, so back to square one. I had to go out and buy a car, and my wife, she always enjoyed the Escalade, and previously had one, an 07 model, and she loved it, so she wanted me to get another one. So these are some of the tips that I normally would do. I picked these up Walmart, Publix, Winn-Dixie, wherever. These usually come with soap on them. They're very mild, so they won't scratch, and you could take off basically the the dirt, the oils from the driving in the cars and all that good stuff. So I only do it when I wash the car. So if I'll do a weekend where I wash the car, put new blades on it. I'll do the all the glass, exterior glass with this, and I'll go ahead and clean everything, dry it all up. I'll do the Rain-X, and I'll install the new blades. So, but again, I don't have the proof. There are some channels out there who will show you the quality of the blades. Like I said, I've used the Rain-X, I've used the other some of the other brands, inexpensive brands, and for me, my favorite are the Bosch Icons. They do have another one model up, which is a couple more dollars. These will run you like 36 bucks. I think these were like $28. You can pick them up on Amazon, your local shop. Sometimes they have specials, mainly rebates. They're super simple. I love the look. It gives it a nice clean look. As you can see, it's like kind of like almost like a one-piece type, and they're great at high speeds, and they just, to me, they're perfect, honestly. So that's my opinion. Of course, there's always somebody who likes a different brand, but this is what I like, and years of trying different things. So let's go ahead and put the blades on. I am not gonna use the pads today, and I'm not gonna do the Rain-X, but this is just usually the little setup that I normally have, that I've done for many years, and it's worked out pretty well. So let's get to it. All right guys, this time I'm just gonna kind of clean the windshield with Windex at the moment. I think most of us have Windex around the house. Very simple. Clean the glass real good, especially where the wiper sits. You want to get any dirt out of there. In this case, this car needs a little ladder, so before I install the wipers, I'm gonna just give it a nice little wipe down. Okay. Alright guys, so very simple. Most of the newer blades, they have a system where it's a little tab, and you just pop the tab open and you slide the wiper down towards the windshield. Very simple. It's got a nice little curve, and it has a curve in there where it's like a one-way in. Remove this. You take your Bosch or any other type of, same thing, lift the tab, and has a little circle that matches with this circle, and very simple. And then you know, you got to make sure that it goes inside the hole. Sometimes it gets stupid, but there you go. Snaps in, put the cover on it, and voila, the wiper is ready to go. So like I say, you know, I love the Bosch because they are, you know, very, very good for high speeds. I've had wipers where they at high speeds don't do very well. Like these have like a little, kind of like an aerodynamic little section here all on top, so when the wiper is at its motion, the wind keeps it against the windshield, so it gives you a nice clean stroke. So like these here, the ones that I previously took out, they're in like half and half. Okay, these work pretty good. I can't, you know, complain, but these are probably original. They don't really have a name on them. It's something of a precision part, so I'm assuming this is a original GM part or something like that, that maybe it was put in by the previous owner. Most of the services for this vehicle were done at the dealer, so maybe they did that, but it works pretty good. It's just, you know, it's old already, you know, so the driver's side was giving me some streaks and stuff, sections where it wasn't clean, so that's why the Bosch are going in. I love my Bosch. So here we go. Let's try the other one. See, we should give you a heads up on that, and that's pretty much it. Very simple. All right, so this side's the same. Go ahead and move a little closer here. It's too high for me. All right, so turn it up a little bit. Tab, push down, hold out, same thing. Open this sucker up, slide it into a little groove, lock it, and you're done. I mean, it's super, super easy. Super easy job. So they look great. I love the way they fit, and they're very simple. Hey. Gotta get him a little ladder here, a little short. All right, so yeah, you know, every month or so, give it a nice little clean. Buy yourself some of this little microfiber, you know, little cloth. Give the windshield a nice clean. Put some Rain-X on it. So sometimes when you're high speeds with the Rain-X, you don't even need to use your wiper, so it'll last you even longer. And then on the, you know, every other weekend or every 3 weeks or whenever you wash your car, you know, clean them up with WD-40. You clean the rubber blade, put them up for a couple hours. Because sometimes, you know, you'll get like a little stick or something on the rubber, so it marks it. So if you clean it with the WD-40, it's you know, a lot of the times with the sun, the heat, you stand them up for a few hours or whatever, and then the next day, you know, most of them come back. Not all the time, but for the most part, they all come back, and you know, it gives you a much better clean. You know, prolongs the life of the wiper. And that's pretty much it. Let's stay tuned. If you have any questions, let me know. Any concerns, comments. Stay tuned to other videos. I'm going to be doing some upgrades to the vehicle, and nice little things I'm going to be doing to the car. So thanks for watching.